I'm gonna use my drone for the first time, like for real. I mean, I used it before, but that's gonna be the first time that we're gonna go on a flight, on an international flight. So I'm a little scared. I'm not even gonna lie. So let me set it up so we can go. I'm nervous. But anyways, breakfast was really good. It was too much food to try, but what I tried was good. I need to hurry up. I think they're setting up something outside, so it's good that I'm doing it now, because I might not have access at some point. Alright. See, I'm still trying to figure it out. Let's turn it on. I believe it's on. Yeah. So I'm taking off the little cap for the camera. Turning the remote on. It's on too. And now I gotta put my phone with this app. Guys, I'm nervous. I know it's just a drone, but I'm scared to lose it. I'm scared of hella shit. I'm scared of stuff that I shouldn't be scared of. It's a drone. Let me see. I didn't put the SD card, so we wouldn't be recording anything. I need to buy another SD card because I only have one, but it's a big one. So I share between the GoPro and the drone. So yeah, I need to buy another one. Alright, so it goes right in the back of this, I believe. Yes. Alright, it's in. It's in. I'm nervous. Let's see if I can get this baby to take off for us. Well, I'm recording. I hope so. Alright, talking about takeoff. So, I lost the drone. First flight. We're looking for it. I'll be like, they really tried to find my...
Now you have to give us a good feedback.
You were already getting one.
हाँ यही पत्ता यही वाला पेड़ है यही है इस पे अरे इसी पे है मिल गया we saw
it?
Yeah.
You did?
Take my photo with name.
Yes. They're gonna find it for me. Thank you so much.
That is the guy who found it.
Oh my God, I can't believe it's going up.
Yellow. Yeah, we got it.
We're gonna find it?
We saw.
Okay.
अरे रुको रुको गिराओ मत
भाई गिराना मत
Oh my God, I can't believe this. We found the drone. He went and found the drone.
भाई इसको कैच करा दे आराम से
This is crazy. I was crying already.
बंद करके आराम से कैच कर भाई कैसे पकड़ाएगा
आराम से ना वो टूट जाएगा
अरे नहीं टूटेगा
It doesn't matter at this point.
दे ला
आराम से ऐसे
कैच करा दे आराम से रुक जा
एक दिन आप मत पकड़ो मैं
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Oh my God.
प्लीज
Oh my God. I want to see the name
names.
so I know when I do the review, they help me. What about you? Thank you. Thank you, everybody. You have a name tag too?
Yes.
Yes. What about you? You too.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much. Yo, I am so over myself. I had more than 10 people looking for the drone for me. Then I found out that you're not even supposed to fly a drone, so I'm not even gonna put the footage because it's illegal in India. That shit was in the tree. I mean, you're gonna see all the footage. But yo, I cannot believe myself. First flight, I'm losing the fucking drone. Like, I knew my friend was supposed to come to fly the drone because I wasn't so sure about it, and look what happened. But we got it. I was already like, damn, we lost $350. But we got it. All right, so I'm enjoying the pool, trying now. I'm gonna go to the water real quick, then go to the room and go check out because it's about the time to check out for me to go on the other stuff. A hot mess. I can't believe myself. All right, after all these drone stuff, I'm sweating. I'm gonna get in the water. I'm gonna try to get in the water. Let's see how cold or not this is. I hope it's not cold. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, the floor is hot as hell. Let's see. Ooh, the water is cold. It's cold. It is cold. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's cold as hell. It's not too bad actually, because it's warm outside. So it's not bad. So I'm trying to take some pictures at the pool, right? And there's a guy over there. I will try to show you. His face staring. He's like, hello. I don't know if you guys can see. You see him? I see him. Is he gonna hide some more? I don't know. But hey. It's a nice day. It's 90 degrees here. It's windy and it feels good actually. That's it for the pool for me today. I swear there is something wrong with him. Why are you staring so much? Why are you staring so much? Acting like I'm looking for myself. And I'm recording him. And he can't handle. Look at him. You know when he's hiding over there. They can't handle. And I'm just acting like I'm posing. I'm on the other side acting like this while I'm actually recording them. But yeah, they are fucking funny.